global trade is defying protectionist headwinds with flows on track to exceed 35 trillion in 2025, growing at 7%, double last year's pace. The artificial intelligence and semiconductor boom has been the primary engine lifting Taiwan, South Korea, Malaysia, and Singapore to record export figures. China, despite an 18.9% drop in the US bound shipments, achieved a historic 1 trillion trade surplus by aggressively diversifying towards Europe, ASEAN, and Africa. Yet the numbers tell a different story. The global trade flows are on track to exceed 35 trillion in 2025, growing at roughly 7%, that is double the pace that was recorded in 2024. For goods specifically, the growth rate has tripled. This counterintuitive outcome offers a window into how the interconnected economies adapt, reroute, and reconfigure in the face of policy disruption. The semiconductor and artificial intelligence boom sits at the center of this resilience. Taiwan has revised its 2025 growth forecast to 7.37%, its strongest in 15 years, driven by the global appetite for AI-related hardware. In October alone, the island's exports surged nearly 50% year over year, reaching a record 61 billion. South Korea is poised to cross 700 billion in annual exports for the first time, again propelled by chips. Malaysia and Singapore have similarly benefited, with the latter posting consecutive months of double-digit export growth as major semiconductor facilities come online and investment in AI research and development intensifies. China is perhaps the most striking case study in the trade adaptation. Despite an 18.9% decline in shipments to the United States during the first 11 months of 2025, the country has recorded a trade surplus exceeding $1 trillion, the first time any nation has reached the milestone within a single year. The math behind this apparent contradiction lies in the aggressive market diversification. The AI boom has provided an extraordinary tailwind that has masked the underlying fragilities. Now, whether that tailwind persists and whether the structural adjustments now underway prove durable will determine whether 2025 represents a genuine inflection point or merely a temporary reprieve before harder adjustments arrive.